What's up, YouTube? Bloodspawn here with today's mail day. I got 5 ttms today, a little bit of everything, pretty solid. We'll get right into it. First up, from Atlanta Metro, Georgia. This took 39 days. This is Lindsay Abernathy. It's a Walking Dead return. Signed my index card. Thanks for being an awesome fan. Walking Dead, Rowan, and signed 3 photos. The downfall, she's signed on the back. One shot of her from Woodbury, signed on the back. David, thanks for the awesome letter. Rowan, The Walking Dead. The shot of her and Andrea. And thanks for the support. And a shot of Andrea, Michonne, and her. And it's David, we have the best fans. So, signed on the back, but at least I got the index cards. When I mount it, I can see an autograph. Next up, from Atlanta Metro, Georgia. This took 13 days. This is actress Rhoda Griffiths. Signed 3 DVD covers. The Blind Side, signed right there. One Missed Call, signed right there. And Road Trip, signed right there. And drew a little map on his hand. So pretty cool. Next up, took 59 days coming from overseas. This is actor Jackie Chan. Signed both my DVD covers. The Karate Kid and Forbidden Kingdom. So I'm really happy to get that one back. And the last 2 are 8x10s. Do the non-project one first. I decided not to take this show because I already had 1 success on it and I already had it back out in the mail. So happy to get it back though. This is actor Henry Rollins, signed index card. Signed my Wrong Turn 2 DVD cover. And signed the Sons of Anarchy 8x10. It was already signed by Theo Rossi right there. And Henry Rollins signed it right there. So 2 signatures on Sons of Anarchy. That's awesome. And the last one, which is Project Castapalooza related. Canceled the stamps, but no postmark as far as getting it back. This is also not on Star Tiger. It probably took 2 weeks tops. This is my Buck Rogers 8x10. Was already signed down there by Tim O'Connor. This time I got Aaron Gray, who played Wilma, main character. To David, love Aaron Gray. So, Castapalooza Point. And she also signed the Complete Saga booklet. She signed it right there next to her, which is awesome. And Tim O'Connor signed it inside the booklet when I sent it to him. So really awesome, and I'm gonna pair this up with some Halloween 2 stuff and send this out to either Anna Alicia or Pamela Susan Shoup. So both they're wearing Halloween 2 and Buck Rogers. So try to get some dual points there. Alright guys, that's it for me. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.